Hello and welcome. My name is Jeremiah, the Bullfrog Hale, and this is Tips and Tricks Tuesday with ProPricer. We'll cover useful tips and tricks that help you leverage your time better and get things priced. Welcome back to part 2 of the series on proposal views. This Tuesday we will cover the resource view and the travel view. First up is the resource view. You can find it here in the proposals tab and the views dropdown. The resource view is split up into two sections, the estimates on top and the summary of costs for each estimate on the bottom. The big idea behind this view is it's your Zen place for estimates, because it declutters the BOE estimates from things like tasks, WBS levels, contract line items. All of that melts away and you're left with direct estimates and their estimated times. For example, this is very helpful when you want to swap out labor categories, when they have been scattered all over the place in the task view. Simply sort by clicking on the header of the resource column, and now all your estimates are gathered from all over the place into one spot. Okay, quick tips for the resource view. First, ProPricer has this new timescale feature that I think is extraordinary. Just right-click on any estimate and select Timescale. Then pick the time frame to summarize your estimates. I'll pick Annual. And now all the months have been packed into years, making estimates much easier to handle. Another good tip is showing hidden columns. You can right-click anywhere on your estimates and hover your mouse over Show. See all the hidden columns? I'll pick WBS. Now I can sort my estimates by WBS. I should point out that hidden columns are not unique to the resource view. Hidden stuff is everywhere in ProPricer. Because with ProPricer, like a transformer, there's more than meets the eye. Okay, now let's move on to the travel view. What is it? Why do you need to know about it? This one is your one-stop shop for disclosing planned travel in ProPricer. You can find the travel view here in the Proposals tab and Views dropdown. Like the resource view, the travel view combines all the travel estimates all over the proposal into one place. In my example proposal here, they do all come from one task, but you get the idea. You can quickly make changes to trip destinations, or when they actually take place in trip distribution. Here are 2 quick tips for reusing old travel estimates. If you right-click on one of your trips, you can select Add Copy, and ProPricer will prompt for a replacement task. And tip number 2, right-clicking on any trip, you can update travel. This still follows the GIGO rules. GIGO is the acronym for garbage in, garbage out. If your travel rate table is not set up correctly, then you get the idea. Please do your due diligence to check the rates after an update. As a quick sum up of this episode, the resource view makes your OCD happy inside by removing all the unnecessary bits and organizing your estimates for ease of access. Also with hidden columns, Megatron should watch out because ProPricer has got some mad transforming skills. We also learned that it's easy to reuse old travel data because it can be copied, moved, and updated from a travel rate table, all in the travel view. A one-stop travel shop. Be sure to tune in next week as the 3-point estimating view and the summary view will be in the spotlight. Alright, if this episode was awesome, give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe. Ding the notification bell to be informed about new episodes. If you have any questions about ProPricer we can help with, or maybe some tips and tricks of your own, follow the link or post a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Again, my name is Jeremiah Hale, and as always, thanks for watching.